Hi everybody and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Telegram not sending messages. So I just want you to open up your Telegram app, and then I want you to go into this icon to the search bar and then type spam um, info bot. Alright, then get right in on this conversation. Click on it and then go into the blue button and tap on start below. Alright, once you're in, once you click on start, the bot will send you a message, and it will be a different message because I don't have that issue and I don't have that problem. And then you will just type no, I never do that. Alright, then send the message. He will of course reply by a different message, and as I told you, I don't have that problem. My situation is different than yours. Alright, so he will that message that the bot will send to you is like, I'm very sorry if your account was limited by mistake. Please write me some details about your case. I will forward it to the supervisor. And also he could type, why do you think your account was limited and what went wrong. Alright, and what I want you to do is to write him some details about your case to forward it to the supervisor. Anyways, that's the solution, guys. Don't forget to subscribe on the channel, and like the video and share the video with your beloved ones. And thank you so much for watching.